Sir, where is Agatha? The class is not fun without Bracklin, David, and Agatha.
Good morning to all. Very good morning, guys.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Morning, sir.
Very good morning. Very good morning. Today, Agatha will not join, I believe,
Why?
because she has camp. Okay. So, good morning, David. Good morning, Miracle. Turn on the camera, please. So, what we were doing chapter number 8. And in chapter number 8, we did
Acid and salt. The pH part. pH question.
we did we were in pH part. Okay, for example, we have this question. Okay, we'll do this question. I'll write the question for you guys. Okay, this is the question. So calculate the pH of a solution if 0.001 is the molar concentration. Is it what? Molar concentration. Now, molar concentration means the concentration of ions. And which ions? H plus ions. Is the H plus molar concentration. I will write like this. H plus molar concentration. Okay. So we know that H plus, we know that the H plus ion concentration is given 0.001, and the H plus ion concentration can be written as, like, if I will remove that, it will become 1000, and it will become 1 upon 10 to the power 3, and the H plus ions can be written as 10 to the power minus 3. Did you got it, guys? What I did? Yes, David. Now, with the help of formula, find out the pH. Do it. Quickly do it.
Sir,
Yeah.
in the solution, can you go back to the question?
Yeah.
What is the first step that you've done? I didn't understand that.
The first step which I did.
01001.
Okay, it is given na 0.001 concentration is there. It is given na.
Okay, sir.
Then if I will remove this point, then 1000 will come automatically na. That is the step. Okay. Miracle, are you there, beta? Did you understand this?
So you forgot to write mole L.
Yeah. You got the answer?
Wait. Got the answer, sir. Hardik or NXTN?
Hmm. So you got this answer, everyone? Ira, David?
I got this answer only. pH is equals to 3.
Okay. Now we will do the next question, which is this one. This question. Okay. What will be the pH of a aqueous solution of a sulfuric acid, which is 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 mole in concentration? Okay, now everyone, please pay attention. This is little bit different type of question. See, we know that H2SO4 is there. When it will split, okay, when it will split, it will become H plus ion and SO4 minus 2 ion. Why? Because the SO4 has a valency of minus 2. Yes or no? Now, before solving this, like for example, what we were doing HCl. And we know that HCl will split into H plus and Cl minus ion. Yes or no? Yes or no? The thing is, here it is balanced. It is what? It is balanced. You can check that H one H is there. One Cl is there. But now in this case, the left side has two H and the right side has only one H. Did you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir. Because H2SO4. No, so but there only one H. So we put a 2 in front of the H.
So I will put 2 in front of H. Now it is balanced.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check. So for example, 2H is there, 2H is there. Okay, 1S is there, 1S is there. O4 is there, O4 is there. Don't go on charge. Just count the number of atoms. So how many concentration is there? 2 concentration is there. Okay, but 2 will be multiplied because H2SO4 is there. So now the concentration of H plus ion is given to us, which is 5 into 10 to the power minus 5. Okay, yes or no? Now how many H plus ions are there? 2. So I have to multiply it by 2. So it means become 2 H plus ions will be 2 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 5. Okay, so the H plus ion concentration will be around 10 into 10 to the power minus 5, and it will become like same base is there. So 10, 1 minus 5 equals to 10 to the power minus 4. Now we got H plus concentration is 10 to the power minus 4. Now we have to use the pH one.
So I couldn't understand. So like it's it's like confusing me.
Yeah. See, now in the left side, how many H atoms are there?
2.
Hmm. And if I will erase this, now normally how many H plus ions are there on the right side?
2, sir.
No, here. Sorry. On the left side, we have two H
Yeah.
ions. Okay. In the right side, how many we have?
1.
Are they balanced?
No, sir.
So what we have to do?
We have to multiply it with 2.
Multiplied by 2.
2.
So in the same way, the concentration which is given 5 into 10 to the power minus 5, we have to multiply it by 2. So what that I did. 2 5s are 10.
Okay.
Now both
Okay.
bases are same. So we will
Yeah.
normally add this power. So 1 minus 5 will become minus 4. Now we got the concentration as minus 4.
Okay, I understood, sir.
Now normally we have to solve pH is equals to that formula.
Got the
pH is
answer,
equal
sir.
to log into 1 upon H plus concentration. This formula we have to use to get the answer.
Got the answer, sir.
You got the answer?
So,
Very good.
so I
Yep.
have a question from yesterday's class. I will ask at the last of the class, today's
Please,
class.
please ask.
Yeah, after the session, sure. Like
Oh,
after finishing.
okay, sure. This is the question now. Guys, you do it. David, Ira, try to do this question.
Sir.
Yeah. Yes, Cedric. You got the answer?
Wait, sir.
Cedric?
Sir,
Okay.
wait. I'll do it now, sir. Wait.
So one question. Why is it OH minus?
Because what is the solution is there? NaOH. So NaOH will release what ions? OH minus ions only, no? That is why it is not H plus ions. It is OH minus ions. That we have to check it. Okay. pH is based on H plus ions, but in this solution we are getting OH minus ions from the solution. Got it?
Okay, sir. I'm done, sir. Got the answer.
Correct.
Sir, the pen doesn't have ink anymore, so I'm taking a new one, sir. That's why.
Yeah.
Sir, PH is big, capital letter.
Okay. So are you getting these types of questions?
Yes, sir.
So now we'll learn about the pH scale, so which we discussed in the earlier class. Miraculin, do you have any doubt? You were saying something, no? Turn on the camera, please, and tell me the doubt. Miraculin.
Yeah, so 1 minute.
Okay, till Miraculin is asking the doubt. Ira, can you read this?
Yeah. pH scale. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14 on this scale. pH 7 is considered neutral. Below 7 acidic and above 7 basic. Further from 7 more acidic or basic the solution is. The scale is shown below in figure 8.5. We have learned, shall I continue?
Yeah.
We have learned earlier that the sum of pH and pOH of any aqueous solution remains constant. Therefore, when one increases, the other decreases. This relationship is shown in figure 8.6.
So we learn that pH here, not pH, sorry. Here H plus concentration is high and OH minus concentration is low. In this case, on 7, on this case, H plus concentration is equals to OH minus concentration. And now in the basic phase, the OH minus concentration is high and H plus concentration is low. Okay? Yes or no? Yeah.
Can I ask the question, sir?
Yes, please.
Yeah, like I was confused in the like what is the role of water in dissociation of acids and bases?
Okay, the role of water in dissociation of acid and basic. Okay, so yeah, just give me a second. I'll just tell you. Just give me a second. No, this one. Okay. The role Okay. The role for pH and all is like that. We can understand it like this. Please, everyone, please pay attention. The role of H2O. So we'll do one experiment. We did one experiment, for example, and in that experiment, there is dry HCl gas is coming out. In that experiment, dry HCl come out. And if I will put a litmus paper, a blue litmus paper in front of it, so if HCl is a acid, did you understand? Miracle, are you there?
So I'm here.
Okay. So blue litmus, if I will put, what it will become?
Uh, it
If I-
will turn into red color, sir.
Red color. But dry HCl is there. And what happened practically, like HCl is the acid, it should turn into red, but it didn't turn. Do you know
Yeah.
why? The word called as dry. The word is
Okay.
called as dry. Dry is basically the water is not there. So if water is not there in HCl, the HCl will not dissociate himself into H plus and Cl minus. Means water is very, very important for the dissociation. If water is not there, the HCl will not dissociate, H plus and Cl minus and will not be formed.
Okay,
Did
sir.
you understand? No.
I understand.
So this is the role of water in dissociation.
Okay.
Got it? No.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. So yeah, so we can see that these are the some pH values which is given in front of you. So H plus HCl, stomach acid, lemon juice, vinegar, soda, sour milk, and then blood plasma. Yeah, this is very important. Blood plasma, 7.4. Basically, it is like this 7.39 to 7.4. If pH will disturb beyond this or before that, then the person will die. Literally, it will die. 7.39 something is there and 7.4. Okay. If pH becomes 7.5, 7.5, I'm saying the person will die. Okay. It happens
If it becomes
because
3,
hmm,
if it becomes 7.3,
7.3, I'm not saying 7.38 also it will become. If it will become 7.38 or 7.37, then the person will also die.
so it becomes
The
so it is 7.4 only, person will not die. It is
no,
7.39.
there's a fixed value. I'll tell you the fixed value. 7.35 to 7.45. Okay. Not 7.46 will be, not 7.34 will be there. Okay. Because the pH of body should be in this range only. Okay. Yes or no? So like caustic soda, we have 14, lime water, which we are drinking. It's we are not drinking lime water, sorry. Lime water is calcium hydroxide, CaOH whole twice 2. This is called as lime water. Okay, we are not eating lime water. Okay,
Like,
so these are all.
sir, what is the difference between lime water, lime juice, lemon juice, and lemonade?
Rebecca ma'am will tell you because she knows English better than me. She will tell you what is lemon, what is lemonade, what is lime juice.
I don't like all of them because it's so sour. Anything that is like sour and all, I don't like. Like,
Okay, now we will read this universal indicator pH paper. Yeah, read this. Who will read? Ira.
Okay. universal indicator pH paper. It is a mixture of a number of indicators. It shows a specific color at a given pH. A color guide is provided with the bottle of the indicator or the strips of paper impregnated with it which are called pH paper strips. The test solution is tested with a drop of universal indicator, or a drop of the test solution is put on a pH paper. The color of the solution on the pH paper is compared with the color chart guide, and pH is read from it. The pH values thus obtained are only approximate values.
Okay, so we can see that the pH scale is there. If you will, this is the color shades. So if you will put, and if you will got color shade like this greenish, then it will be 7. Okay, so with this color shade, we will get the pH value. Okay, so in pH, like if I will use pH paper, there won't be any 1, 2, 3, 4 will come. The color shade will become, and that color shade we have to match with the pH scale to get the what is the number of that solution. Did you understand, guys?
Yes, sir. So pH. Okay.
Now, important of pH in our day-to-day life, pH in humans, we told that pH range should be 7 to 7.8. Okay. Acid rain is the first rain of the monsoon, which contains all the non-metal oxide gas. And we learned that non-metal oxide is behaving acidic in nature, which reduces the pH of the water. So that pH, when it will come and it will go to the lakes and ponds, then it will reduces the pH of that also lakes, and hence they have lot of problem. Aquatic life will have lot of problem. Okay, pH in plant. The plant of the pH of this is a specific pH range. It should not be highly alkalinic or highly acidic. Highly alkalinic means if it is too alkalinic, then the plant will die. Means too much minerals are there. Okay, so it happens like that. If the pH of a soil is 7 also, then also plant will die. Plant need little acidic or little basic. Little acidic means 6.7, 6.8 or 7.2, 7.3, like that. Little. You can't put NaOH like 14 number. Okay. Now, in digestive system also we have HCl. Okay. The HCl is for the stomach food digestion. Okay. Then self defense of animal and plant. So there is one like bee sting. We discussed in the previous or the first or 2 3 session. Like bee sting is they have methanoic acid, and that methanoic acid gives us burning sensation. So my teacher used key, which is a metal oxide, and reduces the acid by the bee sting. Tooth decay. Tooth decay is also the example of that. In tooth decay, because some of the students, not some of the childrens, they eat a lot of sweets, dairy milk silk, Oreo, and all this thing. So because of that sweetness, yeah,
Sir, Oreo is a cat. It's not a cookie.
yeah. Who like whatever the sweetest thing or this whole thing. So because of that, the pH of the mouth will decrease, and our this teeth are made up of calcium salts. Okay, it is also called as enamel. That enamel will decrease in the presence of acidic, so we have to brush a lot.
Sir?
Okay, yeah, brush means Colgate basically is basic in nature. So the acidic character which is formed in our uh, mouth, it will decrease. Yes.
Sir?
Yeah.
So like before eating, the pH of the mouth is 7.4, and after eating, the pH of the mouth is 5.8.
Yeah. Too much sweet. It works on sweet. Okay, I'm giving you 3 minutes to read all this A, B, C, D, E points, F point. If you have any problem, just ask me. The page is in front of you. You can use this page. Quickly read it. 3 minutes. Okay, everyone done? Done with the reading part? Okay.
Sure.
So we did this pH part. Okay, now we did thing. Now we'll do this and this and this. And we'll extract that. Okay. Now we will come to the salt part. Okay, now put a heading salt. Salt. Okay. Now I will ask this question from David. David, how salt is formed? David, how salt
Yeah,
is
how
formed?
do we get it, or like how chemically?
Yeah, how we'll get the salt? If I will tell you to make a salt, any salt, how will you
We
make
get
it?
it. Yeah, we get it from the ocean.
From
The ocean.
the ocean. Oh wow. I thought that you will say that go to the DMart and ask for the salt and then the cashier will give
Tata
salt.
namak,
No,
देश
it's
की
not like.
नमक. Tata
For
namak.
example, you are in the laboratory. Okay, you are in the laboratory and teacher asks you to make salt because when she was eating food,
NaCl.
that salt like in that sabji, in that uh, what do you say, this sabji, there is less salt, so teachers ask you to prepare a salt. How will you make it?
So combine the two, what do you call it? Elements, NaCl.
How will you combine it? There is no Na is there and there is no Cl, like you will mix that. How will you combine that?
Uh,
How will you combine it?
I don't know.
Like we learn na neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? What is the neutralization reaction?
I think I forgot about the neutralization reaction.
Neutralization reaction we learn na, like when acid react with base, it make salt plus water. So this salt and water is basically what the salt which we are asking for. For example, if I will take HCl plus NaOH, it will gives us what? NaCl plus H2O. This NaCl is the salt that we are eating in like Desh ka namak, Tata namak. Got it?
Yeah.
So, so basically, this NaCl is a salt. We can get salt by that way also. We can get salt like when acid react with metals, and it will gives us what? It will gives us salt plus H2 gas. So we can get by this also. How? For example, if I will take acid like HCl plus metal like Na. So it will become NaCl plus H2 gas will release like this.
2 HCl plus 2 Na gives 2 NaCl plus H2.
Yeah. So we'll not balance it. You guys can balance it better. Okay. We can get one more way. Like if I will take acid plus metal oxide. Metal oxide. And when I will react it, it will become salt plus water. For example, acid like HCl plus metal oxide like Na2O gives us NaCl plus H2O. So we have this also. So there are many methods that we can get salt in from the laboratory. Got it, guys? Any method that I am missing? Yes, I am missing metal carbonates. Like, for example, if I will take metal,
Carbonate and bicarbonate.
yes, metal carbonate or bicarbonate. Okay, when react with acid, it gives us what? Salt. Now, because carbonate is there, so salt will come and CO2 gas plus H2O gas will also release. So, how we will get this? For example, metal carbonate like Na2CO3 plus HCl will give NaCl plus carbon dioxide and H2O. So we will get all this method. From that we can get salt.
देश का नमक,
Philip
टाटा
salt.
नमक.
Yeah, everyone got it. Okay. So now everyone, please pay attention. I will give time to write, guys. Please pay attention. See, the salt can also be acidic and basic, but it depends upon the strength of a acid and base. Yes. Yes, Jashron.
Sir, acid plus metal does not make salt and hydrogen gas, does it? I was
Yeah,
looking
it will.
in my notes and it says metals plus base makes metal, salt, and hydrogen gas.
Metal can react with acid or base.
First, like go to the acid. First, what we did, go to the acid. First reaction of chemical. In that, it is acid plus metal gives salt and plus H2 gas, in which we did pop sound video and we saw that. You got it? We make a bed diagram in which I made a like
Pop sound.
pop sound one. In that we learn like before metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate. First chemical reaction we did that only. No, you didn't get it now.
I don't think I got it, sir.
Okay, I will show you. I guess it is this one. No. Yes. Where is that one? It's coming from PHY. Ayo. Yeah, here we have no this reaction. Acid plus metal gives us salt and hydrogen gas. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. So what was I'm saying? Okay. I will ask this question from Miracle. Miracle, are you there, beta? Turn on your camera, please. So
Yeah,
if I
yeah,
will,
sir. Yes,
yeah,
I'm
if I
here.
will take strong acid and if I will react it with the weak base, then the salt that is formed, so that salt will be like that salt will be like what is that nature of that salt? When strong acid is react with weak base, what is the nature of that salt will be? Yes, Miracle. Do you have any idea?
No, sir.
Okay. Anybody else? Ira?
So it would be acidic.
Yes, it will be acidic. Like uh, for example, if I will take like -4 plus 2, what is the answer of that?
Oh, -2.
-2. The acidic will be there, no? Did you understand?
Yeah.
No. So I am finding one example regarding that. Give me a second. Strong acid react with weak base.
Edric, you have 2 cats, right?
Yes, yes, David.
What is the other cat's name?
The other cat's name is actually Milo, and that cat,
Milo.
is like he always gonna steals food. He's not cute.
So I have a house in Goa, so whenever I go there, there used to be like 2 dogs over there.
Oh.
They should like stay on the road, okay? So we should give them food. One dog's name was Happy, other one was Sunshine.
I thought the other one's name was Sad.
Okay, now listen. So strong acid react with weak base, it will give acidic salt. Okay, it will give what salt? Acidic salt. Okay, we'll take one example.
So one
We'll
question.
take one example like HCl when react with N NH4OH. Okay, NH4OH. Then what will happen? That the salt which is formed will be NH4Cl plus
H2O.
H2O. Okay. Then this NH4Cl is basically acidic in nature. Acidic in nature. Why acidic in nature? Because weak base is reacted with the strong acid. Did you understand? Yes, David.
So if the salt is acidic, how would it taste?
It will say khata. Means
Even more
oh,
salty than normal salt.
yeah. It will be like lemon salt.
Oh, okay.
It tastes like lemon salt. Okay. And if I will take uh if I will take strong base and if it will react with weak acid, then the salt which is formed will be basic salt. Did you understand? Yes or no? Basic salt plus H2O gas will release. So in this, we'll take one example, strong base like NaOH when react with weak base which is CH2CO3. It is also called as carbonic acid. Okay. When it will react, it will form Na2CO3 plus H2O. So this salt will be basic salt. Did you understand, guys? No, you didn't understand anything. Ask me if you didn't understand anything. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then write it down. Yes, just wrong.
Sir,
Yes, just wrong. You're saying something.
Sir, again, this it's not balancing out for me.
Which part, beta? Balancing means
Strong base
the
plus weak acid, the NaOH plus H2CO3.
yeah, H2CO3 is a weak acid. Okay.
Yes, sir, but it's not balancing out in the equation.
Balancing. Okay, I never. Okay, I'll show you the balancing part, but I believe you guys can do it at your home. Okay, so but still, I will show you. So, for example, if like Na and OH, Na, O, and H, they all are in one compound. I will write near to each other. So Na, O, then H, like this. Then H2, H, C, and O. They are different. So it will like I will make a space and then I will write HCO. Did you understand? In the same way, NaCO are in one compound, then space, then H and O are in one compound. Got it? Yes or no? Now Na is basically 1, O is basically 1, H is 1. Here H is 2, C is 1, O is 3. Na is basically 2, C is 1, O is 3. H is 2, O is 1. Okay. Now I have to multiply it by 2. So this will also multiply, this will also multiply, this will also multiply. So it will become what? It will become 2, then 2, and then 2. Okay. Did you understand? Na2CO3, Na2H2CO3. Okay. But I have to multiply this also. Because it will become 5.
now multiply this H2O.
Yeah, I will multiply it by 2. Okay, so it will become 4 and it will become 2. So like how many Na atoms are there? So Na atoms are 2 and 2. They both are balanced. Now how many oxygen atoms are there? 2 plus 3, 5. And in this also 3 plus 2, 5. Got it? How many hydrogen atoms are there? 2 plus 2, 4. And the 4. Okay, and C is 1, C is 1. All are balanced. So where I will multiply it, like NaOH is multiplied by 2, so I will write in front of 2, and the H2O will multiply it by 2, I will write 2 in front of you. Now it's balanced.
Sir,
This is how you have to do balancing. Yes.
sir, give us 2 minutes break.
Yeah, I will give 2 minutes break. After this, you guys have 2 minutes break. Come back in 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Cut it down, and you guys have 2 minutes break. Come back.
Sir?
Yeah.
Okay, now. David, I'll show you my other cat. His name is Milo, okay? Huh?
Okay.
Just Ron, I'm watching. Okay, guys, David. Here is Milo.
They look the same.
No, he doesn't even look the same. He's not. He's not that cute as Oreo.
He looks a bit grumpy when you hold him like that.
Yes, he is an angry cat.
Cedric, can you show Oreo?
Oreo, I showed yesterday. You can watch the video, yesterday's video.
And as I was saying, when I was in Goa, at my house, there are two dogs, right? So like we should give like Happy and Sunshine in two separate bowls. We should like give them milk or cook something to eat. So Happy, right? He should like drink his milk very fast, and then has you should have Sunshine's milk also. You finish hers also. You should like not let her have anything. So one day, so then sometimes we have to like hold him back and to let Sunshine have some milk.
So like Happy was the one that was like stealing others' food.
No, he should eat his as fast as possible. Like drink it out like 10 less than in 5 seconds or something, and like finish. Go and have Sunshines also.
It was so crazy for food.
Yeah.
Same with this Milo. Milo also like whenever Milo like whenever my mom gives food no to both Oreo and Milo, they're two separate bowls no. Whenever my mom gives food no, basically uh first no Milo will meow and try to jump and take the food so fast, and then and then my mom gives Milo eats both his and Oreo's food also. That means Oreo will not get anything to eat. So basically, like my mom like traps Milo in the room, and then my mom gives only Oreo the food, not Milo.
One time we had to like keep Happy in our house because like he got some type of infection. So we had to like keep him inside because we had to put some medicine on him, and he could not like go outside with the medicine on. So he, in the middle of the night, he wanted to like he wanted to pee. So like he was like whining in the middle of the night and like barking, waiting for us to let him out. And then we let him out.
And then what happened?
Well, then he went, and then he came back. Guess what? Um, Somehow, I don't know how. I think like someone had put rat poison for one because there are lots of rats in Goa, so in the village. So I think Happy ate the rat poison one time and then he died.
When? 1 year back? Or
I think two years back it was.
then what about Sunshine? Is he still alive or no?
She should be like I don't know what happened to her actually because she like stay on the road and then after she thinks she disappeared or something. But Sunshine, right? She should like at 3 o'clock in the morning, she should come and bark at our gate at 3 o'clock in the morning, non-stop for hours. You should not get sleep. Sometimes it actually like hunt her off with a stick, like not hit her, but like scare her off.
Okay, guys. Now we have a lot of sunshine. Okay. So now we will talk about the salts. Okay. Now, first salt, like in your book, the first salt is baking soda. Okay, but we will not do the first one because we are believing in the upside down kingdom. We are doing the last salt, which is the bleaching powder. Okay, now bleaching powder, like in your book, it is just given as a Hansen clever plant, okay, process in which the bleaching powder is formed. But we will go little bit advanced. Okay, we will first find it out how the solution is formed. Then we will go to the Hansen clever process. So first we will take like we know the NaCl. Yes, NaCl is also called as table salt. Okay, or we can also tell it like a common salt. Okay, NaCl is also called as stable salt or common salt, and the chemical name is sodium hydroxide. Okay, sodium, not sodium, sorry, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. NaCl is called as sodium chloride also. Okay. Now, I'll write this also. Desh ka namak. Okay, Desh ka namak, Tata namak. Okay. So we know that this NaCl is there. From NaCl, we will make bleaching powder. We will make the baking soda, everything. Okay. So how? Everyone, please pay attention. Now, we should know that NaCl, if I will take NaCl and if I will add water into it, then what will happen? The NaCl will dissolve. Okay, so the NaCl plus water will make NaCl H2O, like it will dissolve. That solution is called as brine solution. So if somebody asks you what do you mean by brine solution is a solution in which what like salt NaCl is dissolved into the water. Got it? So
Isn't
now
that
everyone please pay attention. Why? Because this is not in your book. The thing which I am discussing now, it's not in your book. So you have to like get it from here on. Okay. So what is brine solution? Brine solution is a solution in which NaCl is dissolved into the water. Got it, guys? Now we will take a brine solution. Will do. Where is that thing? Yeah. So we will take a brine solution into the beaker. Okay. Into this beaker, we will take a brine solution. So brine solution is the solution of water and salt. So this is a brine solution. And in this brine solution, everyone please pay attention. In this brine solution, we will attach two terminal.
Cathode and anode. Cathode.
Yes, very good. We will attach two terminal. Okay, don't laugh on my drawing, please.
Okay.
I know I'm struggling a lot. In this case, I must struggling better.
Struggler.
Yeah. So now I connect this with a. I will take black only. I will connect this cathode and anode with a high power battery. Like this. Okay. I will connect it like this. Now the like you can see that big line, small line, big lines, long but big line, small line, big line, small line. This big line is basically called as positive terminal, and this small line is basically called as negative terminal.
Yes,
So
sir.
it means that this positive terminal is attached to this, hence it is called as anode. Okay. And this negative terminal is connected to this, hence it is called as cathode. So I believe you are getting what is anode and what is cathode. Got it, guys? Yes or no? So anode with the positive terminal which is connected to this. Cathode which is negative terminal is connected to this.
Yes, sir. Okay, so anode is positive terminal and cathode is negative terminal.
Yes. Yes.
So
Correct.
basically, so that's so it's basically like a 9-volt battery.
Yeah, we can take. Okay. Now what will happen? Now everyone please pay attention. Now when I will turn on the switch, then in this water, in which what NaCl and water was there is some halchal will be there. Okay, there will be some halchal. Like what will happen? NaCl plus water. Okay, then what will happen when I will pass electric current into it? Okay, NaCl okay, then what will happen? The Na plus and Cl minus will be there, dissociation of NaCl,
Yes, because
and
H2O is present. So NaCl and H2O will.
and H plus and OH minus will also dissociate. So we have two dissociation because of electricity, Na and Cl, OH and OH, like this. Got it, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now what will happen? This Na plus and OH minus, they will make a bond. They will make a bond like NaOH. Okay, yes or no? And this H plus ions, this H plus ion and this H plus ion will move towards the, like H plus is there, it will move towards the negative terminal, which is cathode. So this H plus ions will move towards the cathode.
Then, but the Cl minus, I thought H plus will move towards Cl minus.
No. If Cl minus will move towards the anode. Okay, so cathode H plus ions will move towards the cathode, and this Cl minus ion will move towards the anode. Okay, so at anode, what will happen? At anode, Cl minus ion will like 2 Cl minus ion will releases to form chlorine gas and 2 electrons. And at cathode, what will happen? Like 2 H plus ions will get 2 electrons to become hydrogen gas. So from this, what we can conclude that here some gas will be there. And what type of gas will be there? Chlorine gas, because it's the anode, na? Chlorine gas will be there. And here, what type of gas will be there?
H2.
Here it will be hydrogen gas.
Mm.
Got it, everyone? Yes or no? And the NaOH, which is formed in this solution, we will extract it out from here. NaOH. So we got NaOH, Cl2, and H2. Everyone got it? Yes or no? I will explain it a little bit quickly. NaCl plus water is the brine solution. I pass the electricity into it. The positive terminal is called as anode. The negative terminal is called as cathode. In the presence of electricity, NaCl broke into Na plus and Cl minus. In the same way, water will also break into H plus and OH minus. NaOH is formed by the mixing of Na and OH. And H and Cl, H plus will move towards the cathode, get 2 electron to become H2 gas, and chlorine will go towards the negative terminal, positive terminal anode, and it will make chlorine gas there, like this. Everyone got it? Now write it down. Quickly write it down. I will give time. This whole thing you have to write it down. David, do you have any problem, beta?
No, sir.
Done, sir.
Edric,
Yes.
are you the Flash?
What?
Are you the Flash? You
Um,
know, how did you write it all so fast?
like
You didn't even take
I've been like when sir was teaching, I wrote all the notes. That's why.
very bad, Edric. Very bad. Sir said, do not write, and you still wrote.
Sir, very bad, very bad, very bad, David, for calling me very bad. And now Miraculous,
Sir, I
Sir,
can't see the screen.
and now Miraculous changed her name to just Miracle.
so even a profile photo, man.
Yeah, just Miracle. There's no Miracle in Johanna and the photo. Just Miracle.
Sir, the screen.
Sir, we're not able to like see your screen, sir.
Edric, show your book on the camera on to copy.
My camera is a little bit like blue and like the blue background is there. So like I don't know how the blue background came just like that.
You just like I think that's also going down in settings and change it.
I mean, I tried to use multiple times, but it still didn't work. Even when like this Children's Day program was there, no, on like 14th November, the Children's Day program was there. My mom didn't use this iMac. My mom used the Windows just because of this blue background.
So can you share the screen? We can't see the screen.
Give me a second.
Edric,
Yes, bro.
do you know what a Lego is? You know what Lego is, right?
Yes.
Do
Like
you have?
yeah, the blocks. Yes, Legos the blocks, and like I don't have any Lego blocks right now, but I
Uh,
I like in my old house. No, I built a lot of Lego toys, but in this house there were no Legos. That's why I didn't build any Lego.
I have a lot of them. I have like I think 3 or 4 Lego Technic sets. The Technic ones are like the best because they're like more complicated and more
Guys,
fun to
I
know.
guess you need to go to the YouTube this time. I'll share this. The YouTube is also not working mine right now. You can guys check after this class because the light went off and I got disconnected in my Zoom. So you guys can check in the YouTube for making the last part of the diagram. Okay? Why it's not working?
But both I can see both NXT and Hardik.
I can see, but my whiteboard get deleted, na? When I will get
Okay,
disconnected.
then. Okay, then can I start a new whiteboard?
No, but the notes won't come now on the whiteboard.
But then, but then, but then
Okay, so
I'll allow sir to edit.
I can share whiteboard. The notes will not come, na? The
But then,
previous notes.
but then I can share a whiteboard and you can put your notes.
Okay.
So
Okay,
when I-
guys. So will I shared the video. Okay, you guys can go and check that video. In the last part only, you will get there all this thing. Okay, the last notes. Okay. So any problem till now?
Oh,
You
so,
have any problem?
Oh, sir.
Yes,
so
David.
1 second. I want to show Edric something.
Sure, sure.
Edric, look at this.
Oh.